Well, I'm back in Minnesota, and I'm so happy to be back, even though, as you can see, kind of out the window, it's snowy and cold. I just want to take a moment to reflect on what this week means for me and for many of you. For those who've been celebrating Hanukkah, Hanukkah's come to an end, the celebration of lights. I hope you had a great time with your family and friends and loved ones. As I start my faith tradition of Christmas, it reminds me of something that we all share in common. All the great faith traditions, and that's kindness, opening your heart to your neighbor, helping someone in need. So whether it's taking somebody some cookies, chicken noodle soup, shoveling somebody's sidewalk, or if they're stuck, yes, get out and help push the car. I just want you to know that I wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas if that's your tradition, how you celebrate it. And if not, have a warm, wonderful week filled with joy.